this video, I'll show you the best way how to rename Android project so far, or in other words, change package name. First step is to change project structure view to project. Here in app folder, in source folder, in main folder, in Java folder, we can see our project name, awesome company, calculator. Also, you need to make sure to go in options, tree appearance, and make sure that compact middle packages setting is turned off. Second step is to make sure everything is loaded from the disk properly. You go to File, Reload all from disk. Then you need to synchronize your Gradle. File, Sync project with Gradle files. After Gradle synced, you need to clean the project. You go to Build, Clean Project. After, you need to make a backup. You locate your project directory, and you make a backup. Here we actually have three things we can rename: our actual application name, our company name, and our domain. Now we are going to rename each of them step by step, not by renaming it. Let's start with domain. In the same directory, in the Java, we create another package with the desired domain. I'm going to go for ru. Now we just move the content of old to the new. Refactor, and we are happy, deleting the old one. Then we want to rename our company name. The same logic, we create a new package, but now in the domain directory. Then we move content of this folder to this, and Android Studio does its job automatically. Then we delete the old one. The same here. Delete the old one. Before you run the app, there are also a couple of things to keep in mind. For example, room schema generation. It depends on package structure and you need to rename it manually. For that, you just click on the root directory, edit, find, replacing files. Here you just enter your old project name, some company, calculator. In here, the new project name, ru, very good company, mail, app. Then you check out if you actually need to replace all of these occurrences. You can go either one by one or just replace all. And now reload all from disk, sync project with Gradle, and then actually try to run it. Thank you for watching.